hello, everyone. Your girl Shantae here from Glow Imagery Cosmetics. Stop, money. This is my baby, my dog. He swear he's my son for real. But anyway, I am coming on today to talk about this spectacular, wonderful, amazing vegan shampoo and conditioner that I have created. Now, if you guys follow me, you know that I suffer from plaque psoriasis on my scalp, and it's hard to find products that work well with my scalp. Excuse me. So I created my own, along with some grapeseed oil. It's allergen free, sulfur free, paraben free. It's a hydrating shampoo for my kings and queens out there because I wanted it to be very hydrating. So as you can see, it's a spray bottle. Once you get the hair wet, you spray it on, but it lathers up really nice. I'll actually take like a piece of, but I just wanted to touch base with you guys. This is the actual Jamaican castor oil that I put in. I have a big thing of jojoba. I have a big thing of grapeseed, along with a bunch of the grapeseed. I like that because it also adds moisture, but it's really light and it absorbs really well into the scalp. Not just really late on the hair, but yeah, after I use it, it's now I'm looking way down because .net. I will leave the website down in the description. Don't forget to follow my page and subscribe. You can also follow me at IG at Shant. That's SHANT. So I've come out of my makeup and because obviously I'm about to get wet. I'm about to put my hair under the water. I gave it a little bit of a trim, a little bit of a comb out, because we lose about 150 strands per day. So anything that's loose, I want all of that shedding hair to come out. So here we go. Let's get started. So I dampened my hair, and I want you guys to see how the shampoo lathers up. It lathers up so nice, guys. So nice. And like I said, I put it in a spray bottle because I wanted it to be really thin and moisturizing. So it's a spray-on shampoo. But if you can see, it lathers up really nice and thick, and the hair is not weighed down because there's no paraben, so you can still get your fingers through it. Even some shampoos, once you get it on, your hair gets hard and cakey and you can't get your fingers through. It kind of makes your hair stuck. But my shampoo is mostly raw oils, so it's still very moisturizing and calming once you get it on the hair. As you can see, you can still get your hands through it, and it lathers up so thick and pretty because of all of the oils that's in it. So I'm gonna finish washing and scrubbing, and then once I get the conditioner, I'm ready for the conditioner, I'll come back on so you guys can see how the conditioner lathers up. Look how pretty that is. Look how healthy the hair looks, even with the shampoo on there. How about that, guys? Yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, everybody, I just wanted to come back and show you how it looks, even after I've shampooed twice. And I haven't put any conditioner on yet. I haven't put any conditioner on yet. And this is what you get just with the shampoo. I haven't even conditioned yet. All those oils, it makes it so easy for your hair for you to glide right through it. So I'm still really wet. Excuse me, y'all, I'm getting water everywhere. So I'm gonna condition it. I want you guys to see how thick the conditioner looks on your hair. This is the Glow Imagery Jamaican black castor oil and shea butter and a little bit of grapeseed. I didn't put jojoba in here. I put argan oil in this one. So yeah, I want you guys to see how it lathers up. And normally it's white, but because I put the Jamaican black castor oil, look how thick and creamy that is. Because I put the Jamaican castor oil in there, it gave it a little bit of a yellowish hue. But yeah, just rub it all in everywhere. You don't need a whole lot of it. Just very minimal. Well, it depends on how much hair you have. My hair is mid-length, so a lot doesn't come out of the pump. So just work it in everywhere. I thought about putting a splash of tea tree, but then I changed my mind because my scalp is, you guys know I have plaque psoriasis on my scalp. So my scalp is really, really sensitive to things that make your scalp tingle. So I changed my mind on that. And look at that. Ooh. Look how that's flowing. And normally I would sit under the dryer for a little while with a plastic hat, but I have somewhere to be, so I'm not going to do that today. Hey, that's my son and my daughter-in-law coming in from being outside, guys. Yeah. Hold on, I'm making a video, so I can't have conversation with you right now.
I put your beard back in.
Thank you.
Huh?
Look how that's flowing, y'all.
Sit right here.
I'm making a video, so can y'all just simmer down, please? So I'm going to go ahead and rinse, guys, and style. And then after I rinse and style, I'm going to come back and show you guys the end result, how thick and full. Because if you're somebody like me who suffer from psoriasis, you know what the thinning is like. I have good length, but my hair is very thin. So I'll be trying to achieve thickness and fullness in body. So I'm always getting like layered cuts and doing anything that will make my hair look bouncy and full and healthy and moisturized as well, and my scalp. So I'm gonna rinse and then I'll be back once I rinse. Okay guys, so this is the aftermath after I blow dried. I'm looking like a little bit of a puffball, but as you can see, it is thick. It looks nourished. There's no no flakes in the scalp. So it looks very healthy. I am going to, it looks full, and normally my hair is thin. It's something about that Jamaican black castor oil. It makes your hair so strong. So I'm going to style, just give it a little flat iron, and then after I flat iron, then I'll come back on and show you guys the end result. Okay everyone, this is the aftermath after the flat iron. I told you guys my hair is really thin, so this is actually really good for me. As you can see, I have some flyaways going on in there, but it flat ironed out really nice. It's clean. It smells amazing. It's super straight. It's super light, super fluffy. For my flyaways, I do have a Jamaican castor oil leave-in conditioner that I created on my own. So because I'm with the natural hair care, I'll just take a little teeny bit on my hand, little bit, and rub it in, and that will handle the flyaways up there. And I don't really like what do you call it, edge control, because that just makes my psoriasis flare up. It makes me get a bunch of dandruff, so I try to stay far away from the edge control. So I prefer a leave-in conditioner on my edges. So I'll just go in with the leave-in conditioner on the edges around the hairline and just kind of play with the edges just a little bit. Not a whole lot. Just to, you know, all the girls love the baby hair, whatever you call it. So just so I can have a little bit of baby hair going on underneath, I'll play with the leave-in conditioner a little bit on the edges, and it makes the edges lay down really nice. You know, when we wear our scarves and stuff at night, that stuff tends to break our hair off. So the Jamaican castor oil has a way of keeping the edges kind of nice. I don't do a whole lot with my edges. I'm all natural. I like it natural. I prefer a natural hairstyle. And that's as good as it'll get. But it flows really nice. And depending on how long, I like to keep my hair pretty short. If I want to, I could grow it all the way down my back, but it's just too much maintenance for me. So I like to keep it shoulder length or neck length, just at the shoulder. And that's pretty much it, guys. So like I said earlier, remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to like the video. Tell me what you think about the products. Tell me what you think about the end result. Do you think the hair looks healthy, shiny? What do you guys think? For now, I am signing off. I will try to upload another video sometime this week showing some of my other products. Today, I showed the deep conditioner, the shampoo, the conditioner. I have a facial cleanser. I have some retinol, some hyaluronic acid, some lip glosses, some beard oil for the men, because men are trying to, you know, I'm in Philly, so you know how the beard game get right here in Philly. So with that being said, I'm signing off. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll check y'all out later. Bye.